You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Popular actor, singer and director Odunlade Adekola was born on December 31, 1978 in Abeokuta, the capital of Ogun State, in southwestern Nigeria. He was born to a Christ Apostolic Church choir master father, who later became a pastor in the same church. The producer and filmmaker, who was from Otun Ekiti, State, gained popularity with his lead role in Isoladro Jaiye's 2003 movie Asiri Gomina Wa, and has acted in numerous Nollywood movies since then. Odunlade likewise has done a lot of charity works and rumored to be an ambassador to the renowned network service Glo in Nigeria. There are some movies Odunlade will always be remembered for, and they are listed. Number 1. Opakan. Odunlade, with popular comic actor Soya Erebo, starred in the 2009-2010 movie Opakan. The film is based on two friends who worked hard together to make a living for themselves, but at the point became mischievous in the village but end up successful. Number 2. Sunday Dagboro. The 2010 movie by Odunlade is based on a hoodlum in a town threatening the town, however fell in love with a girl who does not share the same feeling for him. In an endeavor to win the young lady, he began using his influence to curb petty crimes in his village. With time, he won the young lady after he had changed. Number 3. Oyenisin. In 2014, Adekola made a film, Dependent, on the true life story of notorious armed robber in Ibadan area of Nigeria in the mid-90s called Oyenisin. Although acted the role diligently by recounting to the story similarly as it was, including a couple of extra fictional characters and spice to make it more fascinating. Number 4. Eminire-Kan. Actress Ronke Odusanya. Odunlade acted the role of a couple who came from the village to Lagos for greener pastures, confronted with numerous troubles but finally ending up successful. Number 5. Monday Omo Adugbo. Without doubt, Odunlade can easily act any role, thus seeing him acting the role of a hooligan in this movie was awesome.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Boya TV.